So come along with me. I'm gonna make me a ponytail with this pre-stretched braid. I'm gonna put her hair at the side and a knot on them. Some edge clamp, some gel, my tail comb brush, and getting ready. Go do. So we get started with some gel. Bobson. Get some on that back too. Get your brush, brushing, you make sure everything neat and nice. Yeah. Take out the sushi reed, catch it, make sure everything in. Too much sideburn, you see it? Plentiful. Anyways, we could go through. Right, there's a she. Get the braid put on the end now. We're gonna twist them together. Take a little time until we go through because the nails are kind of bugging, you know. So I have to twist with caution. Right, there's a she. Now we'll put a little edge control for all them together. Yeah, right there. So then we retwist. We start wrap this so we dry. If you make sure I'm gonna use your pin because I'm so tender headed. We're done. How about that? So now we'll get the little baby ear them all together nice and neat. Right, there's a she. Dolly down and thing. Yep. So now I'm gonna get dressed. I'll be back. Act bad. Yeah, shorty what?
He wanna sponsor my act bag, double R black bag, time for a black tag. Walking out Chanel with a black bag, yeah, skip a body bag, listen up, scallywag. I'ma give y'all that bad advice. When a broke hoe talk, that's bad advice.